How do you write the formula for an arithmetic sequence? An arithmetic sequence is given by the formula an equals a1 plus c times n minus 1, where c is the common difference and n is the index of the element. If the sequence is finite, the length capital N must be given. Otherwise, it can be assumed to be an infinite sequence. Let's look at an example to further our understanding. Consider this infinite arithmetic sequence: 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, and so on. The first term, a1, is 4, and each consecutive term is the previous term plus 3. So, the common difference, labeled c, is 3. To help keep track of the index, write the sequence in a table like this. The third column is going to contain another way of writing the terms of the sequence, an. Remember, each element in the sequence is the previous element plus the common difference 3. Another way of looking at this is that each element is given by the first element plus the common difference multiple times. For this example, the second element is the same as the first element, 4 plus the common difference, 3, once. The third element is 4 plus the common difference, 3, twice. The fourth element is 4 plus the common difference 3 times. And this property is true for the fifth, sixth, and all the following elements. You can write the first element as 4 plus the common difference 0 times. Let's write down that formula you learned at the start again. an equals a1 plus c times n minus 1. Maybe it's not immediately clear, but what you've written in this third column is the output of this formula for each index. a1 in this example is 4, so replace these 4s in the third column with a1. Let's replace these 3s by the common difference. These numbers are the index, n minus 1 in each term. And hey presto, there's the formula. So, because of your hard work, you can conclude that the formula for this sequence is an equals a1 plus c times n minus 1, or, as you know, a1 is 4 and c is 3. an equals 4 plus 3 times n minus 1. You can now write the formula for an arithmetic sequence very quickly. All you need to know is the first element and the common difference. Let's look at another example. Consider the sequence 8, 13, 18, 23, 28, and so on. Notice that the first element, a1, is 8, and the common difference, c, is 5. So, using the formula for an arithmetic sequence and plugging in these values, you find the formula for this example is an equals 8 plus 5 times n minus 1. This isn't the only way to write this formula. Expanding the 5 times n minus 1 gives 8 plus 5n minus 5, which simplifies to 3 plus 5n. Unless you are asked to write the answer in a specific form, the way you write the formula is up to you. Let's look at one final example. The finite sequence 6, 4, 2, 0, minus 2, and minus 4. The first term, a1, is 6. Each term is the previous term, minus 2. So, the common difference, c, is minus 2. As the sequence is finite, we need to give the length of the sequence. Here that's 6. So, the formula for the sequence is an equals 6 plus minus 2 times n minus 1, from n equals 1 to 6. Equivalently, you can write an like this. Again, you can optionally perform some algebraic manipulation to show this is the same as 4 minus 2n. An arithmetic sequence is given by the formula an equals a1 plus c times n minus 1, where c is the common difference and n is the index of the element. If the sequence is finite, the length capital N must be given. Otherwise, it can be assumed to be an infinite sequence.